Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the maximum upload file size limit when you're using the All-in-One WP Migration plugin on your WordPress site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to upload those larger site backups or imports without running into those annoying size errors that stop you in your tracks. Let's get right to it. If you've ever tried importing a big file with All-in-One WP Migration, you've probably seen that red warning pop-up that your file is simply too large. Out of the box, the plugin has an upload limit, but here's the thing. The real gatekeeper is your server's PHP configuration. So to lift that limit not just inside the plugin, but for your entire site, we're going to tweak the server settings. Now, one of the most effective and direct ways to do this is by editing your htaccess file. You'll find this file in the root directory of your WordPress site. It's kind of like the front desk for your website, handling important instructions before your site even loads. But before we touch anything, a quick safety heads up. Editing the htaccess file is powerful, but making the wrong change can cause server errors or make your site temporarily inaccessible. So always back up your current htaccess file before making changes. A simple copy you can quickly restore if something goes sideways works perfectly. Alright, here's what you need to do. Open your site's root directory using an FTP client like FileZilla or through your hosting provider's file manager. Look for the file named htaccess. Sometimes hidden files begin with a dot, so if you don't see it, make sure you have Show Hidden Files enabled in your tool. Once you've found and opened htaccess, scroll right to the bottom of the file. That's where you'll add your adjustment codes, leaving everything above untouched to prevent interference with other rules. Now you'll want to add these specific lines. PHP value upload max file size 2048 M. PHP value post max size 2048 M. PHP value memory limit 512 M. PHP value max execution time 300. Let's break down what each one of these lines does, just so you're aware of the power you're wielding. The first line, upload max file size, dictates the maximum size of files you're allowed to upload. Here we're setting it to 2048 megabytes. That's about 2 gigabytes, which should be more than enough for most backups. Next, post max size is related. It controls the total size of all post data, meaning it's not just for file uploads but all data sent. We match it to 2048 M to avoid conflicts. Memory limit increases the maximum amount of memory your server allocates for one process. If your import needs to handle a big file, it may need more memory, so bumping this to 512 M helps things run smoothly. And max execution time is how long a process is allowed to run before it's stopped by the server. Setting it at 300 seconds or 5 minutes gives you enough breathing room for those larger imports. After you've pasted those lines, save the htaccess file and close it up. If your host uses a caching layer or you're running site-level caching, clear it now. Sometimes changes take a few minutes to show up, so don't worry if it doesn't look different right away. Now go back to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to All-in-One WP Migration's import screen, and you should see that increased limit. If you don't, try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache. Remember, this adjustment changes the settings for your whole site, not just the plugin. If you ever want to roll these changes back, just remove or comment out those lines you added. And that's all there is to it. You can now upload larger files to your site without hassle. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. And let me know in the comments if you ran into any bumps along the way or have other WordPress questions. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy site building.